Welcome to our free education YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to do a head cleaning. Head cleaning for Canon G series printer, Canon G1010, Canon G2010, Canon G3010, Canon G4010, like those model. We have to do a head cleaning because sometimes your printer may not clear means there are some lines on the printout like that. So in that situation you have to do a head cleaning, then those lines and errors disappear from your printout. So we will see how to do a head cleaning for Canon printer. First you have to go to control panel. Then you have to go to view device and printers. Now go to your Canon printer. I have Canon G2010 printer, so right click on that and go to printing preferences. Now printer preferences dialog box appear, so you go to maintenance and click on maintenance and preferences. Sometimes you may get error like this, says IJ printer assistant tool is not installed. In this situation you have to download this IJ printer assistant tool from the internet and install it manually. So we will see how to install that IJ printer assistant tool. So go to internet, type IJ printer assistant tool. Now you can see that IJ print assistant tool version 1.7 something under the Canon domain. So click on that. Click download. It's downloading. Okay, after download I will open the file. Click on yes. Click next and select the region. I select Asia. Click next. Select the country or region. I select other. Click next. Click yes. Now it install. Okay, no need create shortcut. Click on complete. Now go to again. Click on the maintenance and now you can see the Canon IJ print assistant tool. Okay, now to do a cleaning, if you have issue with your small line or small dot like that, you can click on cleaning and you can select whether it's if you have issue with the black, you can select black, or if you have select with color, you can select color, or otherwise you can select all color. Then you can click on start. Then you may hear some noise. You have to hear some noise from your printer should be on in this stage. So you can see that printer head's moving. Don't open the printer. You can hear that printer head is moving here and there. So after a few minutes it is stopped. Then you can take a printout and see whether this white line or print issue is solved. If printer solved, it's okay, or otherwise if it's not solved, you can do the cleaning again, or you can go to a deep cleaning. In the deep cleaning you can't do the deep cleaning only for black color, so you have to do all color. If you have issue with black color, or if you have issue with color, you can select color, otherwise all color. Then click on start. Same again, you can hear your heads are moving. So after noise stop from the printer, you can get a printout and check. After doing, if it's not solved, you can do it again, or otherwise if it's not solved, maybe your head got damaged, so you have to replace it. Most of the time, 99% of the time, problem you can solve from this solution. So thank you for watching our video. If you want to know more technical tips like this, you can subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Then you will get a notification once we upload a new video. If you like our video, you got the solution, you can like our video here. So thank you for watching our video. We will meet again with a new video. Thank you.